Hello everyone, this is Rohit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you want to learn how to do programming in Java, then you are at the correct place. You know Java, you know the concepts of Java, but you don't know how to do the programming, then just follow my channel. I will teach you how to do programming in Java. So how I will teach you programming? I will I will pick a topic. For example, if you heard about Project Eulers, what is Project Eulers? A Project Eulers is a series of challenging programming problems. So I will cover each and every problem. I will I will give a solution to every problem to you. So you can see me how I am doing the programming. So just just follow me how I am doing. If you think that it is if you have some suggestions, or if you have something that you want to share with me, please share. So how I will start. So what I will start today. So in Project Healers. So what is Project Healers .NET? In Project Healers, we have several problems. So you can see the problems in the archives. So today I will cover uh, the problems multiple of 3 and 5. So what it means, multiples of 3 and 5. So we have to find we have to create a program in which we have to we have to find out the numbers that are multiple of 3 and 5. So as per the description, you can see, if we will list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiple of 3 or 5, we will get 3, 5, 6 and 9. That is correct. So below 10 we have 3, 5, 6 and 9 that are multiple of 3 or 5. Here we are talking about multiples of 3 or 5. It means either 3 or 5. So 3 is a multiple of 3, 5 is a multiple of 5, 6 is a multiple of 3. Why it is a multiple of 3? Because when we will divide 6 by 3, then we will get remainder as a 0. Similarly, 9 is a multiple of 3, because when we will divide, we will get remainder as a 0. And then we are adding all these numbers and we are getting 23. Correct? When we will add 3, 5, 6 and 9, we will get addition as a 23. So what is the challenge? We have to find the numbers that are multiple of 3 or 5 below 1000. So this is our challenge. So what we have to do, we have to find all the numbers, all the sum of, we have to find the sum of multiples of 3 or 5 below 1000. So let's start. So we will start the coding. So just follow me how I'm doing the coding. So we have to find the multiple of 3 or 5 that are below 1000. So just start with the lower limit. So suppose I want to find the multiple of 3 or 5 that are below 10. So how I will find out? Okay, so you know that how we will check whether a number is uh, divisible by any number. Suppose for example, we will check whether one number is a multiple of another number. Correct? So when we will divide one number with another number, that if multiple is 0, remainder is if remainder is 0, it means that first number is properly divisible by second number. So let's start. Here we have to I am finding the multiple of 3 or 5 below 10. So just see how I am doing this. So we have to run the loop from 1 to 10. We will not include 10 below 10. We have to find below 10. So from 1 to 9 we will run the loop. Then we have to check each number one by one. For example, if a number, if suppose I is a number, if I is modulus 3 equal 0, or I modulus 5 equal 0, it means if for example, if I multiply I modulus 3 equal 0, it means the number is a multiple of 3. Okay, if I modulus 5 is equal 0, it means number is a multiple of 5. Okay, we are getting remainder as a 0, then we can say that the number is a multiple of either 3 or 0. Okay, then we have to find the sum. So before finding the sum, just print out the numbers. Okay, if I will print out the numbers, then just see how many numbers we will get. See, you can see here we got 3, 5, 6 and 9. Correct? That is correct. So this is the result we saw here, 3, 5, 6 and 9. So that is correct, means we are doing correct. Now we don't have to find these numbers, we have to find the sum of these numbers. So now what we have to do, just take an local variable sum equal to 0. Now we have to add these numbers. Now sum plus equal to I, that's fine. So now we have to print this number also. Then this system.out.println sum. So now we will see, we will get the sum. Just run this program. See, we got 23, that is mentioned here. So that is fine, means we are getting correct answer. That means uh, multiple of 3 and 5, 3 or 5, multiple of 3 or 5, that is less than 10, means below 10. We found there are 4 numbers and whose sum is 23. Now the question is, suppose I want to find the sum of all the numbers that are less than 20. Okay, so before printing the sum, I want the numbers also. Then how I will do that, I will print the numbers also, then I will print the sum also. Just run this program. So you can see we have these many numbers, 9, 10. 10 is a multiple of 5, 12 is a multiple of 3, 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5 both. So 3 or 5, that is fine. So now 18 is a multiple of 3 and the summation of all these numbers are 78. So we got the sum also. So if you want the better result, so you can write here sum plus sum plus. So now you can easily, suppose now the challenge is we have to find all the numbers below 1000. Okay, now I'm not printing this numbers, I'm just printing the sum of these numbers. So now just run this program. So we got 233168. So this is the sum of all the numbers that are multiple of 3 or 5. So so we saw like how we code this program. We have to find the multiple of 3 or 5. Then how to find the multiple, we have to find the remainder. We have to divide each and every number by 3 or 5. If you will get the remainder as 0, it means the number is a multiple of 3 or 5. Okay, so if you like this video, just uh, like my channel, subscribe it, and if you think that there is a better solution you have, then please give it to me, or you can just comment it and I will try to improve it. And if you have any suggestion, please share with me. Thank you for watching.